Good morning, Tahmina Khan is here in TKMaths is 1. In today's video, we will see a concept of manipulation of the subject, which is a part of the topic algebraic representations and formula. And this topic is in the syllabus of O-level mathematics. For the rest of the videos, you can refer my website address and my blog address, which are mentioned here. In this topic, there are 3 further aspects which we have to cover. And in the current topic, I am basically covering this last one, construct and transform formulas and equations. Now, if you see my website address, I have put down all the topics in the syllabus here, and the links of the videos are attached here. So if you click on any link, you will have all the videos I have uploaded in that. So it's a very good resource for a quick recap. Similarly, on my blog site address, you can go in the required tab, for example, O-level maths, and there are all the topics with the videos I have uploaded against. So let's see in this topic, in this video, we will see how to manipulate the subject of the formula. For example, this is given to you, algebraic expression, and you have to make x a subject. Now there are different types. This is the one in which x is present in numerator denominator, how to handle it. Basically, we call it cross multiplication, right? Take the denominator on this side and multiply. So actually what happened in the background, you multiply both sides by 3x minus 7. So what will happen that this term will cancel out with this term, and you will be left with y times this is equals to this. And then you simply open the brackets. And after that, because you have to make x a subject, so there are 2 terms in which x is present. So bring them on one side and the rest of the terms on the other side. Now when I say bring it to this side, actually what happened? We basically try to get rid of it from here. So we add minus 2x on both sides. Now this is, I have shown here that what happens actually logically. But when you are writing in your exam, you don't need to write it. You can straight away show this step like this step. And after that, you can straight away show this step, right? Which means that you have taken it to this side, and minus 7y, you will bring it here, right? So after that, you will simplify it. And now you will make x a subject, because you have to make x a subject. So factorize this side, the left hand side. So you will be left with 3y minus 2. And now 3y minus 2 will come here. So actually what happened on both sides? You divide by 3y minus 2, right? Logically. So this will cancel out and you will be left with this. So this is how you will make x a subject. Now let's see this second type of question. Now in this you have to make z a subject. I have taken this question from past paper for the recap purpose. So cross multiply, I will take x here, or in other words, I will multiply both sides by x, right? So this x will cancel out with this one, and you will have zx, yz minus y square. You can open the bracket. Now because I have to make z a subject, it is present in both terms. So I can either bring this yz here. You just have to bring the terms which have z on one side. So before I show you, you can do here one thing. You can write xz minus yz is equals to minus y square. But what happened, actually you add both sides minus yz in that case. Okay, so now this will cancel with this. And now you can take y common out. Sorry, z common out, because you have to make z subject. And then simply after factorization, the left hand side, you can cancel it. And you will have z is equals to this term. Now, if you want to rewrite it, you can, because you must remember if you have a minus b and you want to switch the places, it will be minus outside b minus a, right? So same thing is happening here. When we flip it, it will become minus y minus x, and this minus cancels with this minus, right? So Last question now on this topic. I have to make Z a subject, right? Let me see, it is making Z a subject or what I forgot to mention here, but we will see. So if I have to make Z or, so for example, Y I have to make a subject. Yes, I remember it is Y making a subject. So I need to get rid of this cube root from here. Now, how to get rid of cube root from here? What comes in your mind? So first of all, you need to separate this term. So what will you do? You can write, or you can bring this x on the other side, right? Or in other words, I will add minus x on both sides. This will cancel out and I will be left with this, right? So now to get rid of cube root, what we will do? We will take cube on both sides. After taking cube on both sides, now I need to make y a subject, so I need to remove this z. So when it will go here, it means I am adding minus z on both sides, right? Then it will cancel out and you will be left with this. So to make y a subject, you will take a square root on both sides. So you will write plus minus. So this is one aspect of the topic algebraic representation and formulae. So thank you very much for watching the video. You can press like and subscribe button if you want and share it with your friends. Thank you very much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.